So now we're going to do a strength exercise and we're going to do a body weight push-up. So what I'd like you to do is get on your knees on the mat, hands in front, round about shoulder width apart, and I want you to lower your upper body, keeping the level of your body. Right, up to a point where your elbows are at right angles, and then come up again. That's 1, 2, 3. So I'd like to go through, let's see how we do with 5 first, and let's see how you manage that. Alright, keep your core engaged, you don't arch your back. Keep your shoulders. Go for 5. Go. 1 more. 5, 30. Okay, well, and you can